Hello everyone. So welcome to this video, and in this video we are continuing the basic operations on the fraction, and we are gonna properly operate them. Let's start, right? So in the last video we have done addition on like and unlike fraction. Today, as you may have seen the topic as well, that we are going to do like and unlike fractions subtraction. We are going to perform the basic operator of fraction on like and unlike fraction. So without wasting much time, let's begin. And if you haven't watched the video of the other parts of the fraction series, just go and watch it. What are you doing? Let's begin, right? Okay, so like fraction and unlike fraction, we all by now know what is a like fraction and what is an unlike fraction, right? Let's just still write one example of a like fraction. So I'm going to write like fraction. Let me write it over here. Yeah, so like fraction is, a fraction, a special kind of fraction that has the same denominator. For example, 4 over 5 and let's say 3 over 5. They both are the like fraction. They are the like fraction. Why? Because they have the same denominator, right? And what's an unlike fraction? Let's see one example of that as well. Just the opposite of a like fraction. So, an unlike fraction is a fraction in which the denominators are different. For example, 4 over 2 and 3 over 5. These are the examples of unlike fraction. Why? Their denominators are different. That's why they are the type of unlike fraction. Now, let's start doing the basic operation on them. So, as addition you have learned, they are so very similar with it. Let me just give you an example. For this one, let's take two numbers. Let's say 5 over 8 take away 3 over 8. Now you just need to subtract the 3 over 8 from 5 over 8. The basic representation for this would be this one. So let's say we have a circle and there are 8 parts of this circle, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this one is 5. And oh my God. Yeah, this one is 5 and 6, and this one is we have 7 and 8. Let's say these are the 8 parts of fraction, right? Now we are gonna represent this. So we have 5 over 8. I'm using the yellow color to show the fraction of 5 over 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 over 8. And now let me represent a different color. Let me use a different color for representing 3 over 8. So let's say first draw the same circle. Okay, I've drawn the same circle. So sorry for the overlapping. Yeah, so let's draw the total 8 parts in it as well. And then I'll show you the representation of this 8 parts as well. So here are the 8 parts of this circle as well. Now I'm using a purple color to represent the 3 over 8 of the fraction. So 1, 2, and 3. Now, if you just take away 3 over 8 from 5 over 8, 3 over 8 means this much portion, 3 of the portions are taken over. You can clearly see there are just 2 portions left out of 8, right? That's so easy. It's just so simple. We have 2 over 8 that is left, right? You just need to do the operation on the numerator as you did in the addition. That rule is the same. What's the key rule? all the operations of addition and subtraction in a like fraction will only work in for the numerator, nothing else. Let's begin. Let's see one more example of this. So let's say we have 9 over 11 and take away 3 over 11. What you need to do, you just need to take away 3 from 9 because the denominator is same. So it's going to remain same as 11 only. And let's take away 9 out of 3. How much is left? Oh my God, it's too hard to do it, isn't it? Come on, it's just 6, right? So it's 6 over 11, right? Any doubt? I hope so, not till now. If you have any doubt, you can just ask me in the comments. That's fine. Okay, now let's try to do the unlike ones. Unlike fraction, they do not like each other. So that's why the denominators are different. Fractions, they're cute. They are in love with each other. So they like each other. That's why they are like fraction. And since we are doing the unlike fraction, they do not like each other at all. So how they can be similar? Have you ever seen two twins who are, just quarreling all the time or just fighting all the time wearing the same clothes? No, right? So that's why they are unlike the like twins. Yeah, if it means the like twins twinning. So over here, let's come back to the topic. Okay, let's take this example only. So for example, over here we have 4 over 2 and 3 over 5, right? Since they do not like each other, and to make them happy, we like to sort out everything. What we need to do, we'll have to make them similar, right? And how can we do that? In the last video of addition, we have learned about it, that either you can use the LCM or the LCD method, or you can also just multiply, each other in cross. For example, if this is 2, you can just multiply it by 5, and this is 5, you can just multiply it by 2. That's going to give you the same answer in your denominator, right? That's going to be nothing but 10, right? And since you have multiplied the denominator as well as its dominating party, the denominator, the numerator needs also be changed. So this will be multiplied by 5 and this one will be multiplied by 2. Okay, so how much is 4 times 5? It's nothing but 20, right? And what's 3 times 2? It's nothing but 6, right? So if you now take away 20, if you now take away 6 over 20, how much will be left? So hard to guess. Yes, it's 14. So the final answer is going to be 14 over 10. And that's the right answer, you guys. I gave you a star as well. Okay, let's see one more example of this. So let's suppose I have 9 over 7, and this one is 4 over 9 over 7. Take away. Let me remove the comma sign and add a correct sign. So 9 over 7, take away 4 over 8. Let's see what we can do with this now. So 9 over here, it will be 7 times 8, right? And on the top, it will be 9 times 8, right? And this one would be 4 times 7, 4 times 7 over 8 times 7, right? That's going to give you the same 8 times 7. What's going to be the answer? Yes, yes. You need to find out the answer and write it in the comment section. That's it. Yeah. Now, let's do some worksheet questions that we have on like and unlike fractions. So, here I have prepared a worksheet for you. Let's just try to solve the like fractions. So, it's 7 over 8 and take away 3 over 8. So hard to guess, isn't it? I know, you guys can do it. Let's see, right? So this one is 7 over 3 take away 7. That's nothing but 4 over 8. Yep. Okay, this one is 5 over 2, nothing but 3 over 6. And this one is 9 over 4. Again, so hard to guess. Right? And this one is going to be 5 over 10. Hooray! We did it. I know you guys also did it. Let me give you 3 stars for the 3 tasks. Okay. Wonderful. Now, let's move away and do the questions on unlike fractions. So hard. Come on. I know you guys can do it. Let's see. So this one is, since the denominators are different, we need to make the denominator same. That's the key rule, right? Let's make the denominator same. And even the numbers are so simple. So this is 3 over 4 and take away 1 over 2. What you need to do, you guys are gonna write the step in the comment. Yes, so this one is 4 times 2, and this one is 3 times 2. Am I correct? Maybe or maybe not. Who knows? I know you know it. Okay, so this is 3 times 2, and this is going to be 2 times 4, and this is going to be 1 times 4. So how much is the answer if you solve the both? So this is going to be 6 and this is going to be 8. This one is going to be 4. This one is going to be 8. So 6 take away 4. Like 4 take away 6. What's going to left? Write down your answers. Okay. See, let's just try to do this one. So this is 5 over 6. We know that we need to multiply it with 3. So this is going to be 6 times 3. And this is going to be 5 times 3. And take away 1 times 6. And this one is going to be 3 times 6. Nothing but 18 in the denominator. And 15 on the numerator of the first number and 6 on the numerator of the second number. The denominator is going to remain the same. Okay, now how much is 15 take away 6? Write down your answers. The last question of the video is so hard. Okay, so this is 9 times 3. Let's just not crack so many jokes. I know, I crack horrible jokes, but still you need to manage. Okay, this one is 7 times 3, and this one is going to be 9 times 3 times 9. Oh my God, how is 3 times 9? Come on, I know you guys know the times table till now, or you just know how to multiply. Okay, no issues. So this is going to be 2 times 9, right? Let's just solve this. So this is, the denominator would be 27, right? And the numerator will be, for the first number, it will be 21. And for the second number, it will be 18 over 27. You just need to write down the answers. That's it. Oh my God. We have finished the subtraction of like and unlike fractions as well. You guys are doing something crazy, guys. Wonderful. So That is it for the video. But before going back, let me give you a big, big star. Okay. So here is a bigger star for you guys. And this star is smiling. And if you want to make me smile, just give a like, subscribe, and share and comment down all your doubts, all your queries, or if you have any suggestion that I'm very open to it. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.